to legally drive in South Africa. Step number 1. Grab your ID or passport. Get your ID photos. Smile. Grab a proof of address. It's a valid proof of address. Get some cash. Go to your nearest driver's license testing center. Do your eye test. Book a date. After picking a date, go and do some shopping. Study the K53 material well. Know the content. And move on to writing the test. It is quite similar to the sheet of paper you see, and be happy. You've done it. If you pass, you move on to the next step. If you fail, you book to rewrite. If you pass, you move on to driving school, where they will teach you how to drive.